Welcome to World Luxury. Join us as we continue to explore the world of the rich and wealthy. In today's video, we'll discover 15 of the coolest gadgets on the market. Don't forget to hit that like button, turn on that notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Without further ado, let's begin. VSSL Insulated Flask with Bluetooth Speaker. When traveling frequently, it is important to save as much room as possible. To attend to this dilemma, VSSL decided to merge multiple instruments, including a flask and a Bluetooth speaker, into a single body. This insulated flask can keep drinks warm for as long as 5 hours, or cold for a maximum of 10. It is resistant to rainfall and sunlight, and has a leak-proof top. The cap can also function as a carabiner. It also features an outdoor Bluetooth speaker, simply unscrewing the lower part. You may connect a pair of them to create stereo sound. The built-in battery can power the device for a maximum of 5 hours of continuous play. Edge Pro Mount. If you require numerous screens around you, this device could be handy. This extension offers numerous methods to increase your productivity. It mounts directly to the backside of your laptop or PC monitor thanks to its extremely compact design. Simply attach any device to the magnet to obtain an additional display for video calls, notes, and other functions. The attachment is sufficiently sturdy to support a tablet. The mount supports both QI wireless charging and iPhone MagSafe technology. Recently released iPhones already contain internal magnets, while other products come with a magnetic disc. This item also has a removable light for broadcasting and video conferences. SafePal S1 Cryptocurrency Hardware Wallet. Do you have any cryptocurrencies? It's a good idea to keep it in a secured hardware wallet. This one, known as the SafePal S1, resembles a regular credit card. It's a little thicker, with a 1.3-inch IPS display, a D-pad beneath it, and a camera on the other side. All of your keys are securely stored on the device using an air-gapped signing process. You can send any cryptocurrency with just one swipe, without having to connect the device through USB, Bluetooth, NFC, Wi-Fi, or any type of radio frequency. When a malicious attack is detected, the security detectors inside the wallet trigger a self-destruct mechanism, erasing all wallet data, including the private key. Trezor Model T Hardware Wallet. Here's another Trezor wallet you might like. This wallet is less stylish, but it provides a similar level of protection. It just takes a few moments to set up, and if you delete the device, all of your data is instantly recoverable. Y-Smart MQ3 EDC Flashlight. Occasionally, it's necessary to have a bright light in an instant. However, most tiny flashlights do not have this capability. The Y-Smart flashlight is an absolute game-changer in this situation. The device is no larger than your keys, but it is sufficiently powerful to assist you in repairing your car late at night. When you remove it from its magnetic keychain base, it immediately lights up. The base serves as the power button, and a built-in neo-medium magnet keeps it from falling off, no matter where you position the flashlight. Finally, it may be stuck to any metallic surface for hands-free operation. Halo Rise Sleep Tracker. Tracking your sleep activities is crucial, but sleeping with watch straps around one's wrist isn't the most comfortable thing in the world. The Amazon Halo Rise Smart Lamp may be utilized as an alarm clock as well. There's no need to be concerned about the battery being fully charged or installing any apps because it works alongside Alexa. Simply tell the Echo device to switch on the lamp and it's good to go. On your nightstand, it can assess temperature, humidity, and light levels while monitoring your sleep. It tracks your sleep and gives critical sleep statistics on your Echo Show device using detectors and machine learning. It has a distinct appearance and lights that gradually illuminate when it is finally time for you to come out of bed. It wakes you up at the appropriate period in your sleep cycle by using advanced sleep tracking. You Do You Console. It's time to elevate mobile gaming to the next level. The game will be initiated through the You Do You console. Simply link it to your phone and hold it firmly in your palm. When you move around, your character moves with you. The AI motion detection detects and makes active play engaging and fun. Haptic feedback and vibration, colorful LEDs, a smooth track, and a lot of squeeze buttons round out the package. Magnetic wireless charger. This nightlight also functions as a charging station. The flattened areas are for your phone and watch, and you can charge your headphones by placing them between the spheres. NightWatch Magnifying Clock Dock. This dock converts your Apple Watch into an alarm clock. It magnifies the display using an even single piece of lucite. To make the watch, simply tap it anywhere. Also, the special amplifiers make your alarm sound louder, and there's a place for your magnetic charger with convenient cord management. Additionally, the docking station is suitable for all Apple Watch series. Eco ITX05 All-in-One Docking Station. To optimize its potential, this docking station has numerous modes. When playing a game, select the game mode and attach all necessary devices. With the use of 3D surround sound, RGB mood lamp, and noise cancellation mic, you can now feel the game's environment. If you wish to view a film, the movie mode has an 8K display with immersive sound. If you want to listen to music, the music mode amplifies the audio regardless of the format, WAV or MP3. Aside from that, there are 9 different ports that can accommodate all of your needs. Okupa UT2S Hand Warmers. Winter is on its way. If your gloves aren't doing a good job of keeping your hands warm, this Okupa hand warmer will. All you have to do is alter the temperature and separate it in half, perfect for each freezing hand. Just remember to keep an eye on the battery capacity and charge the warmer. Black Time Celestial 11 PM Watch. At first glance, you might assume it's just another watch, but don't be fooled by the design. The Black Time Celestial smartwatch features 2 domed AMOLED displays. Because there is a built-in compass, use its motion-sensitive screens to find the proper route, to know the time, and even to chat your companions via built-in walkie-talkie. Because it is a smartwatch, it is filled with health monitors, so you can measure your blood oxygen level, heart rate, and workout progress. You'll get all notifications on your watch as well. Finally, the 10-hour battery life is sufficient for an entire active day. Cyrobricks. Smart 3D customizable hexagon light panels. Introducing a few of the most customizable lamps ever. This is a collection of 16 hexagonal panes that you can arrange whatever you want. If it isn't enough, you can order additional sets. When you're through assembling everything, link the lights with the app on your phone for comprehensive access to color modes, preset color scenes, brightness level, and so on. Or you can simply make use of the provided remote. You can also choose the music mode wherein the colors react to the beats of your favorite song. Games Power True Wireless Earbuds. Do you remember the classic game Tetris? Here's a slightly modified rendition with 2 D-pads and 108 games. At the back, you'll also find a set of earbuds. They're touch-sensitive, so you can change the songs or answer calls with a single tap. The built-in high-definition microphone ensures that you are heard. Prepare for up to 5 hours of powerful bass and immersive audio. Tobii Eye Tracker 5. Using the Tobii Eye Tracker, you can now operate your computer with your eyes. Combining eye tracking with mouse, keyboard, or gamepad controls will provide a deeper, more realistic experience by allowing you to replicate real-life movements like searching for shelter or firing at a target. The integrated infrared optical sensors on both sides, as well as the facial recognition scanner in the middle, follow your eye and head movements and adjust the camera in the same direction for a more comfortable viewing angle. You must connect this device to your PC or laptop through USB. Seawolf High Pressure Pump. Typically, inflatables utilizes a manual pump that no matter how vigorously you pump, it still takes long to get to operate. The high pressure pump inflates your SUP at 90 gallons per minute, allowing you to get it ready within a mere 7 minutes. On a single charge, the high-capacity batteries can inflate 8 SUPs in no time. It is safe and simple to use for anyone. Simply plug it in, set the pressure, and start your outdoor adventures. Cam HD F6 4K Body Camera. Why should someone wear a body camera? These cameras give both audio and visual evidence that can be used to independently confirm events. The fact that they are visible may safeguard you from a potential attacker. This one guarantees to give you excellent footage no matter what time of day it is, and it is waterproof and shockproof. A set of controls make using them quick and simple. If you are attacked, push the button to activate the alert mode. WatchGuard VISTA XLT Body Camera. The VISTA XLT body camera is intended for use in situations where a standard integrated body camera is insufficient. With a separate DVR, your camera can be mounted on a helmet, sunglasses, or discreetly in your outfit. Which of these gadgets would you like to try using? Can they be used every day or just occasionally? Post your thoughts and comments in the section below. We'd love to hear from you. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. We're hoping to see you in our future videos.